Welcome, welcome, traders. Welcome to another live session. This is a very important week, as you know, that NFP week, and I believe that everyone are ready for today's trading session. Thursday before the NFP day, it's very important because we will see the significant movement in the market today. And as you can see, that this is the all day, and we see GBP preliminary elections, and also we can see that due to the preliminary election, we see pretty important GBP, you can see. And also tomorrow coming up, NFP, okay, dollar and CAD news together, very important NFP news. So let's first begin with some of the pairs that I think that might be valuable to look at, including we saw that GBPJPY also had a very strong breakdown. And I think that GJ, if you look at, let's first begin with the GBPJPY, because this market is overextended. And because it's overextended, we could see that GBPJPY coming for a deeper pullback. I think this market is extremely overextended, and we might see that GJ coming for a deeper pullback. So if we look at the weekly here, what we can see that from the weekly, GBPJPY also bullish. Now looking at the daily here, we can see that from the daily also GBPJPY is a very strongly bullish. At the moment, we can see the market is coming for a deeper pullback. So from the 4-hour perspective, we see that there is a drop here, so we can expect GBPJPY to coming down for a deeper pullback. So we'll see where the market might be heading. Based on that, we will be looking for entry opportunity. So let's see, first of all, looking at the, if we look at bigger picture, first of all, monthly perspective, let's see the overall bigger picture on the monthly on GBPJPY. This is a bigger move on GJ from the monthly, pretty strong bullish impulse, followed by, if we look at the weekly perspective, we can see that from the weekly, this is also a bullish impulse and strong impulse correction. And again, we see another impulse from the daily. We can see that GJ from the daily perspective, it's now, you can see this is a pretty strong impulse, followed by, we can expect the correction. And if we look at the 4-hour, what you can see that from the 4-hour perspective, this is also showing that bullish price action on GBPJPY, a big impulse correction, another impulse we can expect for GJ to drop down further. I think GJ might now come back for a deeper drop, as we can see that this market has gotten overextended to the upside. We might see now potentially deeper pullback. So looking at, if you look at the 30 minutes price action, we can see that there is a doji, followed by there is a break of this doji's high, and after break of this doji's high, we can see the market grab very good amount of liquidity, and we have seen that a break from that level after grabbing that liquidity on GBPJPY. So with that in mind, the trend locally, we see the downside, and I think that with the GBP volatility today, we could see that GJ coming for deeper drop. It might take this price potentially to this support level, or even further, could be. But before we look for any entry, I would like to see a proper pullback. Now here is, you can see there is already a liquidity grab happen here. Okay, so this is also a very important liquidity zone on GJ. And the way I see price action, let me see that there is where the next probability we might open position on GJ. Let me see that where, if there is any probability. So this is a resistance line 2349. If we look at here, 15, 16 pip. Okay, so here I will be opening a sell position by market on GBPJPY. My stop loss that I will put above this high at 52 level. We will be set to TP. Okay, so TP1 will be here. So let's first set TP. We will be later set TP2. I will be later explaining this trade. This is a sell by market trade with 20 pip stop loss. Please, guys and girls, make sure that you do proper risk management when you are opening any position. Without proper risk management, no trade is allowed. So make sure that you do that proper risk management. GBPJPY, I'm selling at the moment from this level. So stop loss here at 205.523. Take profit target will be at 205.01. So you have sell GBPJPY. We have sold. So short on GBPJPY. Let's see where it is heading at the moment. If see sudden bounce. So GJ expecting it to break in that direction. So GBPJPY. If you look at here on the lower time frame. So GJ, what I'm expecting it for the price to break below this level to create a new lower low. There is a long wick candle. And with that long wick candle, we'll see where the price is heading. We can see that there is a rejection here. Wanting to see that the market is breaking below. So you are short on GBPJPY with around 20 pips stop loss. If you guys look at here, what you can see that the market is in fact trending very nicely in that area. And in the meantime, traders, if you're enjoying the live session, make sure that you give a thumbs up and also subscribe to the channel. If you haven't done yet, press that bell notification so that you are not missing any of the content that I'm posting every day. So here we see a bit of, from the lower time frame, a bit of rejection. I'm expecting for this price to break below this level. If you guys enjoying this live session, make sure you give a thumbs up and also subscribe to the channel if you haven't done yet. Press that bell notification so that you are not missing any of the content that I'm posting every day. Also, to learn more about the trade that I am opening and also be part of our Forex Trading Wizard Academy, you can find a link below this video in the description. Visit the website, join us to become part of the trading community. So for those who are passionate about joining, I have a giveaway. So at the end of this session, you can wait till the end to take the giveaway. If you are passionate about learning and growing as a trader with me. And in the meantime, traders, if you are enjoying the live session, make sure you are giving a thumbs up here and also subscribe to the channel if you haven't done yet. Press that bell notification so that you are not missing any of the content that I'm posting every day. Pardon me, guys. Let's put some music on, and GJ wanting to see it breaking and then giving us that suitable entry opportunity. Okay, we can see a bit of here what we see that the market is basically trying to break below. But you can see here the market to trend in the direction If you're wanting to see that the market here breaking below here is locally it's consolidating GBPJPY and wanting to see that it's breaking below. There is a good amount of liquidity gap here, and this is why we have opened the trade. And if you have a bigger spread, then I would recommend you to keep, yeah, there's quite a few pip gap here already. If in case the market is retesting this level again, then we might be able to see that. So we'll be waiting for the price to break below and then to coming back down to the support level. Okay guys, so what we can see in this area, quite a few long wick candles. Okay, so with these multiple long wick candles, expecting GBPJPY to break below and then to trend in that direction. All right, guys, so let me know if you are enjoying this live session. If you're enjoying, make sure you smash the like button and also hit that subscribe button. If you haven't done yet, press that bell notification so that you are not missing any of the content that I'm posting every day. Hello, thank you very much. Welcome. Jamon, hi boss, welcome. Thank you very much. Welcome. Good morning. Hello, coach. Is the New York session open today? We'll see. Yeah, New York session will be open. Even the bank holiday, the session will not close. Bank holiday will not stop the session. The session is still on because the traders still will be trading. Thank you, Sir Logic. Thank you. Any update? Gold PM coach in watching new live session. Thank you very much. Hello. Gold analysis. Can you look at other charts while allow? Thank you very much for. Please check holiday in the USA, low volatility, and what's your take on NFP? Thank you. How to know entry? Okay. Coach, how to commit to risk management every time and try fail? Good evening. Thank you very much. Commit to risk management. Yes. Risk management is very important, guys and girls. Keep in mind that risk management is very important when you are trading. It's important that you always apply the risk management. Trade based on risk management is the key when you are trading, and this is the primary focus here in Forex Trading Wizard Academy, to trade based on risk management. Guys, if you are not trading based on risk management, you're not gonna make it, because without trading without risk management is basically you are putting all your trade at risk, and at the end it's not gonna work out for long-term picture. So the only way you can become profitable, successful trader is doing the risk management. Now the question is, what is risk management, right? That's also an important question. What does it mean to have proper risk management plan, which is very important, right? Now risk management is not only putting a 1% risk or two. It's also understanding the lot sizing, when to exit, when to enter, and then how long to trade, when to move the stop loss at entry. It's a full set of criteria that one must master before becoming profitable, because as a trader it's not only trading, but also the proper risk management together makes you profitable as a trader. Thank you. And let me know if you still have any question. Let me know if you have any question. Thank you for joining the live session, and smash this like button now, and also hit that subscribe button if you haven't done yet. Press that bell notification so that you are not missing any of the content that I am posting every day. see where the market is heading. Okay, so there's a long wick candle here, and so there's a long wick candle, expecting for the price to break below. All right, so we can see the market is we can see a bit of bounce here, and with this bounce, what we can expect for the price to this price action here, and what I think that it's not a very wanting to see the market is basically strongly trending in that direction. Okay, so when waiting for the price to break below and then trend in the direction, we'll see still from the lower time frame expecting GBPJPY trend in that direction. We'll see where the market is heading. So if you look at here, what you can see, there is a long wick candle, and with that long wick candle, we'll be waiting to see the market to break below. What you can see here is for the price to drop and then to break below this level. We'll see how far the market might be heading. All right, so 5 minutes on GJ, there is another long wick candle. Quite a few long wick doji. Wanting to see that the market is trending in the direction. In the meantime, traders, I appreciate your support to the channel. Make sure you press that bell button and also subscribe to the channel. We see there is a long wick candle here, quite a few long wick triple top formation on GBPJPY. So we look at the 1 hour. This is where the market is a bit of upside. Okay, so this is a liquidity candle. I'm still expecting it to break below. Wanting to see that the market breaking below this level. So this is a pretty big doji here. And with this doji formation on GJ, I'm still wanting to trend in the direction here. This move is a bit of unusual. And in the meantime, traders, if you want to explore more about the strategy that I'm trading, also you can visit the website, link below this video in the description area, where you can find all the strategies, all my trading tools and everything completely for free. You can once you join the academy, you can get access to everything. If you have any question, you can visit the website. There is a live chat agent available. Isa is there. She will be able to help you if you have any question. This move here is a bit of unusual. We want to see the market is breaking below. Wanting to see break below and then to trend in that direction. So we're still waiting for the price to break from that structure. Are you guys with me? So here is this move on GJ is 15 minutes candle is not what I expected, but we'll be still waiting for to see how the market evolving here. It might ultimately could retest this resistance. We'll see how far it is heading. And this is NFP week, as you know that pretty important week. Voice is low, shouldn't be low, guys. It's low. I'm on buy gold. Thank you. Target 2380. Voice is low. Really don't know why voice is low. You can see a massive bearish candle pattern, candle formation here. And with this big bearish candle, okay, on GJ, expecting for the price to break in that direction completely to the downside. So here we can see that the market is moving up and pretty we can see there is a long bearish candle is being formed and expecting it to break in that direction to create a new lower low. Okay, a long bearish engulfer, and with that bearish engulfer, tomorrow is NFP, as you know, that we're waiting for the price to break down further to create a new lower low. So you can see it's slowly the market is breaking in that direction. Here is the bearish engulfer, followed by, we can see the market is here. This is a very narrow doji, guys, and with the narrow doji, expecting for the market to break and then to trend in that direction to see how the price is doing. So here is long bearish engulfer, and wanting to break in that direction, which is pretty important to look at. Here is, if you guys look at here, we can see that the market is in a very narrow consolidation phase. And with this consolidation phase, we'll be waiting for the price to break below. I think we might see still downside possible, but we see there is a rejection. So if you look at the lower time frame, if you look at the 1 minute, okay, this is the 1 minute chart, and wanting to see first it to break in that direction, which is very important to see this structure is broken. All right, on GJ. And if the market failed to create a higher high, if it breaks below, we might see a straight drop down to the support level. Okay, so we'll be waiting for the price to break below to the support level. Okay, here is a pretty messy consolidation pattern. And with this pretty messy consolidation pattern, we will see that how much the price might do here, might drop here. We'll see that the market to drop below this level. Okay, we'll see. I'm expecting GJ slowly to break below. Are you guys with me? The analysis. Thank you, coach. Are you in the trade? Yes. Where is the trading stats VIP win rates? Yes. So this week we had a massive every week, like every week. This week we let me see that top text. So we are at 5%, 5% gain this week, and after the previous week 6%. So far this week 5%. Wanting to gain more in the upcoming days. Tomorrow is NFP. Okay, so we'll see where the price might be heading to. We'll see where the market might be heading to. And in the meantime, if you guys are enjoying the live session, make sure you smash the like button and also hit that subscribe button if you haven't done yet. Press that bell notification so that you are not missing any of the content that I am posting every day. Okay, here pretty massive price action. Need to see that break of a structure. So ultimately it's heading to another liquidity zone, which I have not expected to happen, but we see that it's happening anyway. See how far it goes. All right. Okay, I'm expecting still to break below. So it might it already tested the resistance line. Now we don't want it to go up further, but to break below to create a new lower low. Thanks for joining the live session, guys and girls. Make sure that you smash the like button here and also subscribe to the channel if you haven't done yet. Hello, coach. Thank you. How can I join the VIP? Carolina, if you want to join VIP, you can visit the website link below this video. So this is NFP, guys, and a pretty important tweak now. If you are our member in the VIP community, you can get access to all my trading tools, strategies, and as well as the educational content available for you. Thank you. And you can get access to all of them. So you can find link below this video in the description. If you have any question, don't hesitate to ask. Visit the website www.forextradingwizard.com, where you can learn and grow as a trader with me. So if you want to get access to that, you can visit the website www.forextradingwizard.com. Thank you. So for those who want to join, I would recommend you to join the lifetime access, where you can learn and grow as a trader. So www.forextradingwizard.com, which is the website that you can see. So this is the website www.forextradingwizard.com, and where if you look at click join now button, or click find out more, where you can learn and grow as a trader with me. I would recommend you to join the lifetime access, so that you can get access to everything that we have in Forex Trading Wizard Academy. So here, very pretty weird price action this form on GJ. Let's look at, we'll keep GJ running here. Okay, so we can see that the market has gone up for a deeper pullback, or might be a bit more strong liquidity gap. I still want to hold it. While we are holding it, let's look at also what's happening with the gold. To see the monthly price action on gold, what we can see that from the monthly, this is the monthly price action, where there is a monthly doji. If you look at here, what you can see, this is the monthly doji. And with this monthly doji, what we can see, there's a long wick at the top and bottom, both of them monthly price action on gold. And with this monthly doji, okay, what we can see that the price so far on gold had got a bounce, and with that bounce expecting gold to go up further. So if we look at the weekly, we can see that from the weekly, this is a pretty much stronger bullish price action on the weekly. Okay, so we can see it's a very strong bullish price action. And with this bullish price action, if you look at the previous weekly candle, we can see that there is a doji here. And with this doji from the weekly, which is the resistance turning support, expecting gold to move back to the upside again. Now looking at the daily chart, where we can see that from the daily, there is a daily bullish engulfer, massive bullish engulfer, followed by there's a gap opening and daily doji here. Okay, so which is a pretty narrower candle so far on the daily, expecting gold to have a bounce to the upside. Now from the 4-hour, the way the price action forming on the intraday, there is a long wick candle here, followed by a narrow red candle. For me, I think that it's a potentially bullish price action on gold, and we might see that the market is heading towards the upside. So you can see that there is quite a few 1-hour long wick candles here. Okay, so there is a long wick candle series of higher low formation in that area, and with this series of higher low formation, expecting gold to bounce back towards the upside. So looking at the 15-minute chart, where what we can see on the 15 minutes is that you can see this is a potential inverted head and shoulder, and again a break from that inverted head and shoulder. And with that break from that inverted head and shoulder, we will be looking for further upside, and I think that we might see further upside on gold, which might happen in that area. So looking at the 5-minute chart here, what we can see that there is a gap opening, double bottom formation. See what's happening with the GJ has got a rejection, which is good for us. While we are analyzing the gold, there's a gap opening a little bit on the 5 minutes, and I think that we might see that gold might be trending in that direction. We could see that trend potentially to the upside. So if you look at the 1 hour and 4 hour, quite a few stronger price action. 30 minutes, we can see the market is here. We can see it's pretty much we saw that there was a consolidation on the 30 minutes, and I think that we might see pretty much that bounce on that on gold. We might see that bounce potentially. Let's see that on GJ. Going back to that here, I wanted to see that this one is breaking below after this doji. It's pretty consolidation here. And in the meantime, traders, if you are enjoying the live session, make sure you give a thumbs up and also subscribe to the channel if you haven't done yet. Press that bell notification so that you are not missing any of the content that I'm posting every day. Let's see where the price might be hitting. Okay, so what we can see here is it is a messy consolidation here, guys. You can see that it's a pretty messy consolidation. There is a liquidity grab from the top, double top formation, and wanting to see that it's breaking below, we see that there is a primary break, expecting it to trend in the direction so that we are on the top. Look at the gold here, and gold, what we can see that you see this is the gold price action from the 1 hour, 4 hour, 15 minutes. So there is a, you can see, guys, you can see this is a rejection candle here on gold. Okay, guys, so let's see. Okay, GBPJPY, long week candle. Wanting to see that it's trending in the direction. 1 hour, if we look at, there is a long week candle here. So this is a downtrending market locally, not globally. and we'll see for the price to break below the way I expected a bit of a stronger drop. We haven't seen that. So if we see that GJ coming to profit, we might close with lower profit because the strong trend as not expected has not formed the way it has been expected. So if GJ dropping to this support, which is in this support to 205.31, below this level, we might be able to take some profit. While we see that gold is in a consolidation pattern. Okay, so what is you can see that it's a pretty narrower consolidation. We can see we can see in that zone, this is a consolidation on gold, and with this consolidation, the market forming. So you can see there is a double bottom formation, expecting it to break out. What I think that gold, you can see this is the 5-minute chart, and there's a double bottom, expecting it to break to the upside. All right, guys. So yeah, GJ, we can see that's a bit of downside here. Thank you. Welcome. Is he in the trade, guys? Yes, I'm in the trade. Welcome. Thank you for joining. Please, how can I join the VIP? Gaydon, welcome. Now, for those who want to join the VIP, due to the NFP, we have a coupon available, giveaway coupon, which is additional $100 off on joining the lifetime access. But we have only few spots limited. So for those who want to join, I want to know how many members here today want to join the lifetime access, where you can get access to, if you look at my liquidity candle tool, you can see this is a liquidity candle. There's a liquidity candle formation here. And also there's a liquidity candle, quite a few strong liquidity candle formation. If you want to get access to the liquidity candle formation, liquidity candle tool, as well as many other tools and strategies that we have, if you guys want to get access to that, you can join today. We have another coupon that to give another additional $100 off. So if you need that, let me know. Yes, so I can give the entry that many will be, and let me prepare that coupon, which will be additional $100 off on joining the lifetime access in Forex Trading Wizard Academy. It's an NFP coupon, so during the NFP we give away. This is additional $100 on top of already what discount given on the website access checkout. Let me share with you. Okay, so that's the coupon has given, so which is W53S, I think W5S3 GWPB. So that's the coupon that you can use to get access to everything that we have in Forex Trading Wizard Academy. Use that coupon on the lifetime access, guys and girls. Make sure that you give a thumbs up and also subscribe to the channel if you haven't done yet. So once you are on the website, go to the here lifetime access. This is only for the lifetime access, so you can get additional $100 off on top of it which is valid for today only for the NFP. And go to the checkout, use that coupon to become part of the trading community. Any question, don't hesitate to ask. And if you are liking this stream, make sure you keep smashing the like button, and also hit that subscribe button if you haven't done yet. Thank you. Okay, what you can see here, this is a narrow doji. Pretty important candle formation. Wanted to see that it's breaking below. All right, guys. So what you can see that here, this is a head, left shoulder, and the right shoulder. Wanting to see a complete head and shoulder formation, and then to drop in that direction to see how the market might be doing here. Okay, so this is a very massive consolidation in that area. Pretty tough situation here. The price action is really, really interesting. Okay, so there is a doji, and still I'm expecting to break below to this support at least, and struggling a little bit of, we see a bit of sideways movement. Okay. So looking at gold, we see that this market also a bit of sideways, a little bit sideways, and pretty weird consolidation. GJ, pretty narrow doji here. Okay, guys. So what we can see, lower time frame price action expecting for the price to break below narrow doji here, narrow candle formation, wanting to see that the price is breaking below this level. So there is a long wick in this direction on GJ on the 4 hour. Now the main goal here is to see that the market is coming to fill that long wick here. The way it's forming is not expected, but I still believe that it's gonna have another drop before, even if it wants to go up, we should see another drop. That's what I'm waiting on. If you look at the gold here, what you can see that this is a very narrow consolidation, quite a few long wick dodges here, and we'll see that how the market might be doing here. GBPUSD, dollar yen, AUD USD, quite a few situation. Euro dollar, so euro dollar also it's trying to break. GJ wanting to see breaking below and then to trend to come back to the support level. Wanting to see how far it is coming. You want to see that the market is breaking in that direction and then to dropping down to the support level. Okay, so here we can see the market slowly coming down to this support here. This is a pretty important level of support, and we'll see how far it might be dropping. Okay, so wanting to see a potential head and shoulder. Are you guys with me? Are you with the trade, guys and girls? Let's see how far it might be going. Wanting to see breaking below and then to coming to the profit zone here. Here we can see there is a head, left shoulder, right shoulder. Wanting to see that it's breaking in that direction. I think we should see that the GJ testing this support at least to 31 level. Before testing, if it bounce, that's for me it's unusual. Thank you guys for joining the live session. I appreciate your support. Okay, pretty weird price action in that area. Okay. Here, this drop and the rejection is not what I expected, but at the moment we need to wait to see, is it now trying to trend to the upside or it's breaking below again. So what you can see here, and now it's just almost nearly came to the entry, going back up, which is, need to just be digest it here. Thanks guys. Wanting to see that to break again. Support. Okay, so we'll keep running on GJ. We'll be looking at gold, what's happening. Gold also consolidation. We see the market trend is not very strong on gold. So we see that on GBPJPY. The market has just got a rejection from here. So we might see that GJ unfortunately could trend to the upside. I'm still waiting to see break of that high. Okay. All right. So now this candle on the 1 minute is pretty important because this is where we will be looking to see how the market might be doing here. So GJ, see this candle, if this is a pure liquidity grab because it has broken these two important resistance line, if this one bringing the price below this level, see we might see that. Right, so our entry on GBPJPY, my entry is 373. So if it is coming below 373, might be able to do anything with the trade. Let's let it hold it. While British pound US dollar also a bit of sideways, dollar yen also you see sideways. Okay, that's where a bit of the market might be trending on GJ to the upside. See that there's a potential bullish market structure. So there is a weird price action. Really, it formed very weird price action on GJ today, and this is the 1 minute chart. The market trend just without retesting this order block, it started to trend in the major direction. This is really pretty weird here. So I'm out. So GJ took me out of the trade. So we need to let go of the GJ. Looking at, okay, so we see that GBPJPY. Some of you might be running, but I'm out of the trade. So GJ didn't work out here. We'll see how we're still up quite a few percentage. In the upcoming, as you know, the NFP week. So tomorrow is NFP, very important day, guys. So yeah, someday might be not the same day. We had a pretty every day, very good week every day. So today might be the market. There is a reason behind it. There, the market is in a sideway. Okay, so when the market in a sideway, we have to let it go. Okay, so but some of you might be running the trade yet, still valid for some. My stop loss maybe was a bit earlier. So yeah, someday we need to let it go. And I believe that, guys and girls, you have understood and enjoyed this live session. Today market a bit of slower, preparing. It's basically purging for. Are you guys on the trade yet on GJ? I see that maybe I put a stop loss a bit earlier. See, this trade is still valid. In one of my account is still there. So with that said, I believe that you enjoyed this live session, and thank you for joining the live session. I really appreciate your support to the channel. And with that said, thank you very much for joining. I'll see you again, guys and girls, trading live together. Until that, stay well, stay happy.